Linking your domain name and hosting to WordPress is a key step in launching your website. So whether you're starting from scratch or migrating an existing site, here's how you can link hosting and domain name with WordPress. So the first step is to buy hosting and a domain name. So if you haven't already, choose a hosting provider. So a popular one would be Hostinger. Register a domain name. Most hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation, so you just need to log into your hosting dashboard, find that install WordPress or WordPress Manager, and follow the prompts to install WordPress on your domain. Now after that, go ahead and point your domain to your hosting. So go to your domain register and then find DNS settings. Replace the default name servers with those from your hosting provider. You can also add a record, so use your hosting IP address and add a records in your domain DNS settings pointing to that IP. Now verify the connection, wait for DNS propagation, and visit your domain in a browser. It should load your WordPress site. Configure WordPress settings, so log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to settings and then go to general and make sure your site address matches your domain name. And that is how you can basically link hosting and domain name with WordPress.